Hi, my name is Steve, and I'm a plumbing technician in the residential home services industry. To give you an idea if this is the right career for you, let me tell you about my day. I got my start in the plumbing trade doing primarily new construction. Now my focus is service. As I've grown in my career, I've been able to diagnose and repair various plumbing issues for customers. I keep a well-stocked and inventory truck, and it's safety first while I'm driving and working. My number one priority is to consistently provide exceptional customer service. I communicate clearly and present options so customers can make informed and confident buying decisions. It is a privilege that our customers invite me into their homes to do work. That's something I never forget. Success starts with me. I work hard to create lifelong customers who refer our company to friends and family. I know my work makes a difference. I'm also surrounded by awesome people. I work regularly with customer service representatives, our dispatcher, the service manager, and sewer sales technicians. To keep things running smoothly, I make sure to complete all my invoices, timesheets, and summary of findings on time. Training is a priority. I attend regular service meetings and weekly one-on-ones with my manager. I have tons of support, not only from my team, but also from Nexstar Network. If you don't know Nexstar, you should. They are a member-owned organization dedicated to contractor success. They provide us with networking opportunities, training, and leadership events. Because of them, we get to be the best in customer service, have more profit, and happier employees. I can take customer service and sales technique classes. These classes teach me how to educate customers on their buying decisions. There is also a training implementation program that I participate in, so that I'm supported in what I learned during training once I'm back in the shop. I'm all the better because of this training, and so is my company. Only the best contractors belong to Nexstar Network, those with strong ethics and a sense of professional and social responsibility. In my role, it's important to bring more energy to the company than I take. If you're considering this role, consider this. I always present myself as a professional, especially to my customers, but also to my coworkers. I know my stuff. I build trust with my customers because I'm an expert, and I keep that trust because I put my customers' safety and comfort first. With each call, I follow a consistent procedure. It's called the service system, and it helps me truly understand my customers' needs, as well as explore solutions and solve their issues. I'm comfortable presenting options. Customers want choice, and it's not always just a basic repair. I document all the choices they have for repair and replacement. It's fun exceeding customers' expectations with options. Our company has maintenance plans that I know inside and out, and I'm confident in my ability to share them with customers. I set goals for myself, and I'm driven to achieve them. I like accomplishing things on my own, but I also like to inspire others to succeed with their goals. I want to be part of something bigger than just a job, to know that I'm in a place where I'm appreciated and where my work has direct effect on the success of the company. That's what being a plumbing technician is all about. If this sounds like you, spend a little bit of time learning about the company. When you're ready, please follow the directions on the site to apply for this position. I wish you the best of luck on taking this next step in your career.